Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Motorola Razr 60. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. This is very important. We're simply going to go over, press the power button, enable our phone back. And what we're going to do is we're first going to go to, let me just open up the settings right here. Once we are here, we can start with the physical things like cleaning our microphone port, what I just mentioned. We got it right at the bottom, and we want to make sure that we clean it thoroughly so that there's nothing on it. It is very important because if you have something on your microphone or inside, then it can already muffle the sound. It can make no sounds at all, or it can just be broken. So first, make sure to clean that out. Now here in the settings, what are we going to do first is check for the apps. So this is very important. We're going to go to apps. And here, for example, if you have problems with your phone, you click on phone, make sure that you click on permissions. And here you have something called microphone. So this is our permission if we want to allow the app to use it. And as you guys can see, whenever I click don't allow, then if we deny this permission, basic features of your device may no longer function as intended. So of course, we want to make sure that our microphone permission is turned on in every single app that we have problem with. If you have problems with let's say there's not a lot of apps, but we can choose, let's choose camera. Here we have allowed camera and microphone. If you disallow microphone, then there will be recordings with no sound, or it will just not work properly. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and quickly test our mic in a voice recorder app. So this is very important that we do that in a system app recorder. Now here we click on get started and etc. Of course, maybe later. And now we're gonna press the button, allow recorder to record audio. We're gonna select while using the app and allow the recorder to send us notifications. Now we're gonna start recording, and as you guys can see, the waves are moving. So whenever I stop talking, they go just static. So now we can simply save it, and once we save it, start recording. As you guys can see, it does work. And what you guys want to do is go over and next, as a last resort, we're gonna update our software to fix any mic glitches. So we want to open settings. Now let's leave those app permissions. We're gonna scroll down until we see the system updates and click check for updates. Now, as you guys can see, for me, everything looks good, but if you have any issues and you're not on the latest version, make sure to update. It's very important. And that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.